Hi everyone, my name is Isha Sheikh and I am currently pursuing Bachelor of Computer Application from MIT Vishwaprayaag University, Solapur. BCA is a 3 years of degree where I learned the programming, networking, database and lot more about the technology actually works. What made this journey even more special was my professors, the amazing resources and the innovative way of teaching that never made the learning boring. It always felt exciting, real. I got exposure in credible domains like full stack development, AI and big data analytics, and UI UX design, which gives me a clear picture where the tech world is leading. Honestly, when I started, I was very nervous and had no idea what I was getting into. But the 3-year degree taught me how to think, how to solve real-world problems, and how to apply the learning beyond just the classroom. I'm proud to share that I have got placed to 9 Cloud Webworld, where I already working on the real-world projects and putting everything. Today, as I am about to graduate, I can truly say that BCA gave me a real space to grow, to learn more even single day, and discover what I actually capable of.